What if someone loves you more than anything, but you leave them? A boy became rich, but forgot the one who made him strong. Stay till the end. This story will make you cry and think deeply. There was a boy named Ryan. He lived with his mother in a very small old house. They were very poor, but his mother loved him more than anything in the world. Every morning, she woke up early and went to work in other people's houses. She cleaned floors, washed clothes, and worked very hard. Her hands became rough. Her body became tired. But she never stopped, because she had one dream: to give her son a better life. She bought him a clean school uniform. She gave him small money for school. And she always smiled and said, "Study well, my son." Ryan felt proud, but slowly, something inside him started to change. Ryan studied hard and became very successful. One day, he got a big job in the city. He started earning a lot of money. Now he wore expensive clothes. He had a big house. He had many new friends. But when he looked at his mother, he felt embarrassed. Her clothes were old. Her hands were rough. She looked simple. One day, he said coldly, "Mom, you should not come with me. People will laugh." His mother stayed quiet. Her heart broke, but she still smiled. If you feel this story, like this video, subscribe to English Story Academy for more simple emotional stories. After that day, Ryan slowly stopped talking to his mother. He stopped calling her. He stopped visiting her. He moved to a big city and lived a busy life. His mother stayed alone, in the same old broken house. Every evening, she sat near the door, waiting. Maybe today my son will come. But no one came. Days passed, weeks passed, years passed. Still, she waited. One day, something unexpected happened. Ryan's business failed. He lost his money. He lost his friends. He lost everything. The big house was gone. The expensive life was gone. Now he was alone. For the first time, he remembered his mother. Will she still accept me after everything I did? Ryan went back to his village. His heart was beating fast. He reached the same old house. It was broken, quiet, and empty. He felt scared. Slowly, he opened the door. Inside, he saw his mother sitting in the corner. She looked weak, tired, but her eyes were still full of love. She saw him and slowly stood up. Ryan fell on his knees and started crying. "Mom, I am sorry. I left you." His mother did not shout. She did not ask questions. She just placed her hand on his head and said softly, "My son, you came back. That is enough." Ryan cried harder. He remembered everything: her hard work, her sacrifices, her love, and how he hurt her. Ryan stayed with his mother again. This time, he was not proud. He was grateful. He took care of her, just like she took care of him. Because now he understood. Money can come and go, but a mother's love never leaves. Remember, little friends, never hurt your mother. Never feel ashamed of her love. Because when everything is gone, she will still be there for you. If this story touched your heart, like this video, subscribe to English Story Academy for more beautiful motivational stories in simple English.